I'll try to explain my position and why I think that you've been modest. It's not that I work professionally on composite materials. We have analyzed a great number of business cases with our team, and we had intensive discussions with numerous smart people, and we made a conclusion by mid century. Steel, which is material number one. So steel will become material number two, and composite materials will be material number one by mid 21st century. Of course, there are problems in the industry, but all problems could be settled after all. First of all, speaking about new materials that will replace existing materials. First of all, glass composite materials. Glass is being produced in sufficient volumes now, close to metal. It's to the tune of 6 to 7 million tons, and technoplastic items are sold all right in the world market, and real penetration of glass plastic materials will be progressing all right. The next material, carbon fiber or carbon fiber, basalt plastics is another thing of great interest, and this is what's important for glass composite materials. Speaking about key problems, the key problems are as follows. As of today, speaking about the basic advantages of composite materials, even though composite materials seem to be more expensive, and correspondingly products of composite materials are more expensive, but of course they have definite advantages. They're stronger. The material themselves can be much smarter, and the respective technology of further production of final products based on those materials will end up with these products are probably much smarter and enjoy most varied properties as pre-programmed on the plane or in 3D, which are hard to do with metals. The third basic advantage is very significant for the life cycle of the product. That is zero corrosion. Currently, huge money is spent globally to fight against corrosion, but still this fight results in metals being used to make composites coated with some other substances. What are the basic advantages of the metals? Well, we're well aware of those. They are low cost, they're well-tested technologies along the production line, and larger serious production processes. If you take a look at a certain product manufactured in mass production and made of metal, then we'll see that the value chain will show that the further processing of this product into some structure will account for probably 10 or 20%. If you look at the composites presently, we'll see that in this value chain, the material itself accounts for 10 to 15%, while 85% goes for further process stages. This gap will shrink very quickly onwards, because new technologies crop up for mass machining, and we have a very good example of what BMW has done. They have worked for 15 years confidentially, as all analysts agree. They have developed mass production technologies, using carbon-based products, where production takes just several dozen seconds to produce, not like ours, like it was previously in aerospace, and it opens up much brighter horizons. Another serious advantage of the composites is that just within one process stage you can make much larger forms or modules, molds. I recently saw some equipment I admired. It allowed to make a hub of 89 connections in metal. In fact, to entwine it within one production run, and of course, based on composites, and it offers an impressive advantage, because when you begin to assemble mechanically such a unit of metal, you have to spend a lot more metal for metal connections and so on. We also racked our brain for long why BMW decided to manufacture carbon-based car, and in 2013 it will be used already. It's a lighter and much more durable material, and fuel saving will be 50% if compared with metal. We even built a curve line that could be crude oil price compared with carbon-made products in value. Well, we found that with $350 per barrel of oil, and we thought that probably BMW were aware of something we were not.
Массовой переработки этого изделия, она будет очень интенсивной, кардинально сокращаться. Это будет приводить к тому, что композиционный материал все больше будет втягиваться в широкий набор отраслей промышленности. Соответственно, чем больше будет втягиваться, тем больше будет масштаб производства, еще будут падать цены. Ну, это известная история, что все технологии развиваются по S-образной кривой, где начинается экспоненциальный участок подъема, и очень быстро развиваются технологии, и деньги появляются, и, соответственно, тут же за деньгами идут ученые. И, в общем, мне кажется, что мы где-то очень близко к началу вот этого подъема, а может даже и уже вот на этой восходящей экспоненциальной кривой, как всегда, лицом к лицу, лица не увидать, большое видится на расстоянии. Значит, какие прогнозы? Что дело всегда неблагодарное, но тем не менее какие-то соображения они имеются. Мне кажется, что есть большой запас во всех композитных материалах по падению этой цены, и он меньше, конечно, в стекле, это уже гораздо более такой коммодитизированный рынок, но и там, мне кажется, минимум двухкратный есть запас, и в карбоне.
resilient with metals a bit higher than the composites. If you do it with composites, we're more expensive than with steel. That's our forecast for 10 or 20 years. So it will be a very wide leap in the use of composites.